Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to this new video on Bitcoin. Your daily update. It's been bullish again. I mean, so far as expected. All right. Yesterday we talked about this, that there was a lot of support at 41,600, but also below that at 41,000. So more support was expected because more liquidity was also still above Bitcoin, all right? And to be fair with you, I mean, there's still, even though we have grabbed most liquidity in the last 3 days, there's still some around 43,000, or at least there probably is still some there. But by far the most is now to the downside, all right? So that's not great, but if you watch my videos in the last days, so far it's been correct, which is good because that's nice for trading, etc. If that you know a little bit of the market direction. But what I also said, and what I've been saying for a while now, is that this is nice, but I do expect us to actually find resistance here at between the current level at 42,500. 43,200 because I mean again we have a lot of support again, basically ranging all the way from 42,100 all the way down to 41,600 again. All right, so there is a lot of support so that we can still see some upsides and still move up move a bit higher. But overall I think the market circumstances are still bearish, which if you technically look at the price now, it's a difficult sell, all right, because the market looks pretty bullish. But there right now, I mean, most indicators I think are still bearish. Like we've gained a lot of momentum, but it's by far not the momentum we had when the market was really bullish. And then apart from that, I also think in the timeline of things, in the bigger scale of things, it's most likely, all right. If you think about the halving, I don't think the bull market necessarily has started yet. Not the bull market as we know it, for example, from 2020. I don't think that has started yet. I do think it will start somewhere this year, but we'll have to see about that. For now, I still think that it's most likely will fall down. On the daily time frame, I think it's a little bit more convincing right here after this bearish breakout. But yeah, like I said, I mean, we'll have to see. For now, I still think that the most likely scenario is that we'll grab liquidity a bit higher, and that from that level a bit higher, we will actually start to drop down slowly, and start to drop down towards 40,000. And from there, we'll see again. I mean, frankly, we could actually form some sort of a consolidation, which would be pretty bullish. And even right now, I mean, in this weekend, what we're seeing is that the Bitcoin dominance has gone up a lot, of course, on Friday when Bitcoin was very bullish. And right now it's kind of moving sideways. So what's actually happening now that Bitcoin is bullish and the Bitcoin dominance is moving sideways, is that some altcoins, which you probably have already seen, some altcoins actually have had the room to grow a bit, like AVAX, Bonk, Solana, Injective. They're all doing fairly well. So that's interesting that we could actually have that for a bit longer, all right? So that if Bitcoin actually gets into a consolidation, that maybe altcoins still have some potential to rally here and there. But I'll keep you updated on that. For now, this is what I expect, all right? Still, even though to end this video, but I do want to have said that, even though I mean right now there are, if I just technically think about Bitcoin, I would actually say that we're no longer really bearish, but it's just other things around Bitcoin that make me believe we will still drop down. All right, but that's those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group. We're still trading, still making profits in there. Might be valuable, but that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching, though. Take care and bye.